Left a bit, right a bit, up a bit.
There, James. Tickle all gone now?
No, still itchy. Hey, Mr. C, why do you look so tired? Is it because I'm red? Diesel says red is a very tiring color. But Mr. C, red looks so nice against the snow. It's not me, is it?
Oh, no, of course not, James. I think that red is bright and cheerful.
Oh,
Good.
Just
good.
like my sparkle. Or at least it was. And must be again. Oh, I'm sorry, James. I'm going to the windmill to search for something important. Now off you go to work, please.
Okay, Mr. C, keep your steam up.
Smile, you bitches. This is a sunny day. Vroom vroom.
It's not sunny because Mr. C's not at the windmill. I looked.
I think he sparkles all gone.
My smoke box doesn't feel sunny. It feels stuffed up.
Nasty fumes from dingy Diesel.
And Diesel's after the lost engine.
And if he finds her, I fear that will destroy us all.
What? Even an engine as big as me?
Yes, Gordon, even you.
Uh-huh. Shoo!
Say it, don't spray it, Thomas.
I still have sneezing powder up my funnel. Now I'm going to look for Mr. Conductor.
Let us get back to work. That's what he would want.
How about a race, Thomas? Vroom.
Sorry, Bertie. I can't today. I have to be a really useful agent and solve some mysteries instead.
I guess that means I win. Perhaps another day.
The magic is gone. Why did I take my gold dust for granted? I can't help without my gold dust. What is the source of my gold dust? Is someone there? Thomas, is that you?
Miss Conductor. Mr. Conductor.
Thomas?
Oh, Mr. Conductor. Where are you?
Thomas? How could I possibly say that I'm really useful now?